Well, it finally got delivered. So now that I have it here at the house, I'm going to vacuum out the rat droppings. That are all over. So I'm going to vacuum out the interior and then I'm going to wash off all this stuff. So then I gotta clean off this engine. All the junk the rats piled in here. I don't know how well you can tell, but so then I'm gonna pressure wash all this stuff off the side and get it cleaned up a little bit and decide what to do from there. It's a really good looking truck. I mean, I love the paint scheme. It's just a good looking paint scheme. So fuel tanks are off of it. Had to remove them to get it off the trailer. I got them, they're just not on it at the moment. So I'm gonna clean this thing up a little bit and go from there. Okay, so I did a bunch of vacuuming. See, there's nothing much on the floor. There's a little bit in the back corner, but I'm going to wait till I tip the cab up to do that. I did vacuum off the dash and the doghouse though, but I didn't do the bunk or anything. So now on to, I'm going to try and pressure wash it and see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, well, I washed it off with a pressure washer, and so it looks pretty good now. There's still some spots I need to work on again, but it's coming right along as far as looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow. Maybe vacuum out the sleeper, or I don't know, we'll see. Possibly tilt the cab up and try and clean off the motor, I don't know. Some more cleaning anyway before I try fixing enough hoses to try and start it. So anyway, I'm gonna call it a night and go in and relax and do nothing, I hope. But sure a good looking truck. Alright, so I got the cab tipped up, and I'm gonna attempt to blow and everything off the top of the motor. We'll see how well that goes. All this junk. So I think I'm gonna try starting with a blow nozzle on the air compressor maybe. I'll have to cover up my air cleaner, which still happens to have oil in the bottom. And I think I'll try and blow some of it loose and then try washing the rest of it off. So we'll see how far I get. I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I got a whole bunch off with the air compressor. All this stuff down here. So it's pretty clean for the most part. Now I'm going to take the pressure washer to it. Okay, so I did a bunch of pressure washing. So now I gotta clean off some of the smaller sticks up front, some of the ones that didn't get knocked clear out. This happens to be your safety. It goes up to the bottom of the cab here. So that's your safety on a Freightliner. Kenworth has a thing that flips down on the cylinder. So yeah, I knocked all this loose stuff down here out of there. So, and I still got more that's got to come out, but most of it's out of there. So once I finish cleaning all the sticks and stuff out of there and out of the frame and everywhere, then I need to pop the valve covers off and check the fuel rails, and then it's on to wiring to make sure I don't have any wires, short out before I plug batteries into it. And once I get that done, then we'll plug some batteries into it and see if this thing will run. So probably have to do some new fuel lines because these ones are pretty sad and stuff, but we'll see. Right now I'm gonna drop this cab